Hello Pauline, I'm Roger here, Prime Motor Cars, Mercedes-Benz in Scarborough, Maine. Thank you very much for the inquire on a Metris Passenger van. Wasn't 100% certain which one you were looking for, so this is one of the passenger vans I have here in stock. Wanted to shoot a video. I did email you some information earlier today on it, so we're just going to do a nice walk around. I do have it running for you. The AC is cranking in there. It does have rear AC as well, so when you have passengers in here with you. So it's a 7-passenger Metris van. Very easy access getting in and out of the van. We'll get a nice picture of the back. So this particular passenger van does have dual sliding electric doors. You can actually open and close them right from the compartment up front, and I'll show you where that is when we go for our test drive. So this has a really nice lift gate in the back. So especially if you're loading and unloading things and it's raining or whatever, you can stand under this and not get wet while you're doing that. This does have a rubberized rubber floor in it. Very, very easy to keep clean. And also, if you ever need the cargo space, the seats are removable. Takes 2 people, they pop right out. Gives you a lot more space. So now, Pauline, I'm going to take you on the inside of the vehicle, show you a few things, and we're going to go for a test drive. All right, Pauline, we're sitting here in the front of the Metris van. I'm going to show you a few things. So we have these 2 switches right here. These are for the electric sliding doors. You can open them right from the driver's seat, and then you just push them to close. Very nice feature, especially in the wintertime. You could be sitting right here. If you have people getting in and out of the van, you can just push the buttons, open the doors. This also has traction control, so in the wintertime you can turn this off. Gets really good traction in the snow. We also have the Eco Start Stop mode, Comfort mode, and manual shift. Now when you put it in manual shift, we have shift paddles here on the steering wheel that you can shift up and down. This Metris also has cruise control. They're very, very easy to drive, very good on fuel as well. So now we're going to go for a test drive. And Pauline, another thing I'd like to talk about while we're doing our test drive, we have a dedicated commercial van shop that just works on Metrises and our Sprinter vans. I also keep 5 loaner vans in our loaner fleet for service. When you need to bring your Metris and drop it off for service, you'd have a van to use for the day. I want to show you one other van that's a twin to this one that I did have in my loaner service. It looks just like this one, and it basically has the same options. It's right here. This is one of our ex-courtesy vehicles. And we're just going to finish our test drive here. These vans are very, very maneuverable. They're garageable. They're about the same size as our full-size SUV that we sell here at Mercedes. I'm going to back this back into a parking space so you can actually see the backup camera too, how nice and clear it is. So you can see everything behind you, and if you can see the yellow lines here, that's actually where your tires are going to track when you're backing up. Makes it very easy to park. So we're backing right up to a van that's behind us, and you can see you can see it perfectly. And that's it. So Pauline, after you watch the video, if you'd like, feel free to give me a call. My name is Roger. My cell phone number is 207-838-0169. The business phone is 207-510-2250. Looking forward to hearing back from you, and I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you very much.